Hi, my name's Tom, and these are my new shorts from Amazon. I like them a lot. I'm going to take them on vacation. Let me tell you all about them. First of all, these come from Amazon. They're nice, they're comfortable. Obviously, a bunch of different sizes and colors available. They are pretty standard shorts, but they have a shorter inseam. It's a 7-inch inseam. So what that means is when you're kind of sitting right, they are usually going to be above your knees. I'm what's called short-waisted. I don't have a lot of leg in here, so regular shorts are always down below my knee. I feel like I'm a 19-year-old walking around. I don't need to do that. I want to be an adult. I want to be presentable. This is why I like the shorts that go to the knee, maybe even a little bit above. This is, again, a 7-inch inseam, and they fit pretty well. A couple things about these shorts: they do have pockets on both sides. They're fairly deep pockets there. You could easily put some keys in there, a wallet. You can fit some stuff in there. It's fine. A phone will fit into, most regular size phones will fit into these shorts. They also have 2 back pockets, so that's good. There's a little snap on them. And they do work, and they are regular size. They're not too big. You could put a wallet into those very easily. I'm a little on the heavier side, and that's great because these things are very flexible. There's kind of an elastic waistband around it. You could wear a belt. There are belt loops here and 2 in the back as well. And obviously, if you can see, that you have a little silver snap. That looks very nice. They're very snazzy. These are nice, smooth shorts. Again, they're kind of dressy. I would probably wear my shirt out if I'm walking around on vacation, but you get the idea. I want to tuck this in just so you can kind of see. They're really good shorts. I like them a lot. I'm probably going to order another pair in a different color from Amazon. So yeah, nice shorter inseam shorts above the knee for real men. I like it a lot. Highly recommended.